Hi friends, welcome to Technical Skills Linux. So in this video, I am just show you how to SSL enable and flex panels within just very simple step. Okay, so before just go to left, I am doing the first step. Okay, so that's why I'm do that the port number, server IP, and port number for login. So over here, I'm just set to run. So now I'm just add username and password. Now just continue login. So you can see over here that is my Plex Panel dashboard, right? I have already add one domain, so technical.tk right now. Okay, so now I'm just click it down. Here you can see there's more options: there's file manager, database, FTP access, and up to PHP control, so PHP version change log, application git. So whatever you want, this tools, SEO tool, so everything for here, everything you can manage from here. So now I am just my domain technique.tk is I'm just hello to SSL, so that's why I'm click on SSL. Okay, so over here you just SSL certificate for technique.tk. You can see one get free SSL. You just click on, and you can over here more option for that security for web, and also including subdomains and domain. So that's all. This I am just need to take it only for subdomain and domain. It's a domain verification, so that's why. So I am just click on and just get. If you want to your project, so you can also check this option. That is the free. Now I'm just get on. You can see that is SSL is certificate is so on. Okay, so now I'm go to the my domain. So once again I'm my domain here. So now I'm just take it. So my domain is work or not to HTTPS. So I'm just copy the domain name. Now I'm paste technique.tk. So you can see that is my domain is secure, right? So that is very simple and secure for very simple way for that. You can see domain is secure to install your website, your domain, etc. Okay, so that's all in this video. So if my video any help to you, so then please like and subscribe.